All right, folks, buckle up, because we're diving into one of the most mysterious and dangerous places on Earth. It's called Veryovkina Cave, and it's the deepest known cave in the world. Located in the Caucasus Mountains of Georgia, this cave stretches down a staggering 7,257 feet. Imagine that. That's over a mile straight down into the Earth. Now, let's talk about what it's like down there. Pitch black darkness, claustrophobic tunnels, and temperatures that make your bones ache. The deeper you go, the colder it gets, hovering around a bone-chilling 4 degrees Celsius, or about 39 degrees Fahrenheit. And let me tell you, it's not just the cold that'll get you. It's the perpetual dampness that seeps into your very soul. As you descend, you'll encounter underground waterfalls and rivers. The cave is alive with the sound of rushing water, which can be both mesmerizing and terrifying. The walls are adorned with stunning mineral deposits, glistening in the light of your headlamp. But don't get too distracted. The terrain is treacherous, with narrow passages and steep drops that require technical climbing skills and nerves of steel. But here's the kicker. Can you survive down there? Well, not without a well-prepared team and the right gear. Explorers face the constant threat of hypothermia, dehydration, and getting lost in the labyrinthine tunnels. Communication with the surface is nearly impossible, so you're essentially cut off from the world. If something goes wrong, help is a long way off. So, is it worth it? For the brave souls who venture into Veryovkina Cave, the rewards are immense. The thrill of discovering uncharted territory, the beauty of the untouched underground world, and the camaraderie of surviving one of the planet's most inhospitable environments. It's an experience that few will ever have, but those who do, they come back changed. Veryovkina Cave remains a final frontier, a place where the boundary between adventure and survival is razor thin. So next time you think about extreme exploration, remember this: the Earth still holds secrets that can humble even the most seasoned adventurer. Stay curious, stay safe, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be one of the few to brave the depths of Veryovkina. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more thrilling adventures. Catch you in the next one.